urged the international community to prosecute the Indian civil and military personnel involved in state terrorism and serious crime in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The World Health Organization has warned that coronavirus deaths could more than double to 2 million if infection fighting measures are not kept up. Clashes between China, Russia and the US happened at the United Nations General Assembly over responsibility for the coronavirus pandemic. In Nigeria, at least 40 people were reportedly killed in a fuel tanker explosion. United Nations says China's commitment to upholding multilateralism and people's aspiration for solidarity are encouraging. A military plane carrying Air Force cadet crashes in Ukraine, killing 22. G20 looking at structural approaches to secure longer-term financing for developing countries. In Libya, 13 illegal immigrants died at sea off the coast after a shipwreck near Tripoli.